So what's good, people? Welcome to another investing video. And I was actually about to go to bed. As you can see, my hair is probably a mess right now, and I'm dressed down. I'm wearing my Marvel Civil War Team Iron Man shirt, and I was about to just go to bed. But before going to bed, I started to do some window shopping. I don't know. I guess because I'm a little bit addicted to precious metals right now. So I was doing a little bit of window shopping, and I noticed the prices had plummeted for gold and silver. So I spent a few minutes doing some research and figured out what's going on. And then, of course, I found some really good deals on SD Bullion that we're going to talk about. But first, we got to talk about this price situation. So, obviously, Wednesday, the Fed did their big thing, their big announcement, talking about how inflation is getting better and it's under control, and they created a bunch of new jobs and things like that. I don't want to get too political on this channel, but that's obviously not very accurate, at least not in my situation. I don't know if I ever mentioned this before, but so I work part-time at Walmart retail. I'm a receiver there, and I work part-time at Walmart, and I also have my affiliate marketing business. I have some membership sites that I run, and so I see these prices. I see them every day. They're not going down. They're not going down at all. We do occasionally have sales. We'll have the rollbacks, but when you look at the sales prices of today, they're more than the regular prices a year ago. So prices are not going down. I actually got to buy gas tomorrow. Gas prices are going up. I spend over $100 a month in gas, and I got a tiny little car, and I still pay over $100 a month in gas. So I don't know what they're talking about. Inflation is not getting under control. It's not getting better. Creating jobs is good. There's nothing wrong with creating jobs, although people don't want to work today. I'm seeing that a lot at Walmart. Our turnover rate is worse than it was before the labor shortage. People, they want to work jobs that pay. And the way inflation is right now, most of the jobs that are out there are just not worth it. You're going to be working hard and still not able to pay your bills. So it's like, why work those jobs if you can't pay your bills? Now I understand that. Luckily for me, I'm a receiver, so I get paid well at Walmart. It's one of the highest paying non supervisor jobs, and I've been with the company for a long time, and so I don't get paid base anyway. So I'm lucky in that sense, but I know what a lot of people are going through. A lot of people are struggling. But according to the Fed, things are getting better. Things are getting under control. And of course, that allowed them to raise rates. Let's see, how much did they raise them? I think it was 25 basis points. They've raised the rates. And so that creates a stronger dollar. And when the US dollar is a little bit stronger, then the price of everything that's against the US dollar goes down. So, of course, precious metals, gold and silver, went down quite a bit yesterday, a little bit more today. Actually, I'll look at the prices when we're on SD Bullion, looking at the deals they got. But there's also, it's February, and people need to be liquid. Everyone's getting ready to pay their taxes. I'm in the middle of doing my taxes right now. I'm going to owe a few $100s to the IRS, which means I'm going to have to slow down on buying metals for a little bit. I might even need to sell some because I'm going to owe a little bit more than I thought. And so there's a lot of people just kind of dumping their metals so that they can get enough money to pay the feds. I've seen it at the coin shops that I go to. They've been talking about a lot more people are coming in, selling their gold and silver just so they can have more. And also, people are dipping into their savings because they need the money, because the economy is not getting any better. So yeah, all of that together, of course, drives the prices of gold and silver down. Once it went up over the past few weeks, people are going to start taking profits as well. And so people are going to start selling. But hey, that's a good thing. It's a good thing for us because now we get to buy our stuff at lower rates. And actually, when I was window shopping, I was on SD Bullion and I was looking at their deals, and they have some crazy deals on gold right now, some incredible deals. And so I was looking at some of these, like this 1 gram gold bar, as low as $73. If you're only buying like one or two, whatever, it's 75, but that's still pretty good. I think on average, 1 gram of gold is like around $80 right now, so that's good. But then when you get to some of these others, like this right here, let me pull up a calculator real quick. Like if you look at some of these, it's crazy. So this 20 gram gold bar. So for divide that by 20, you're looking at $61 per gram for gold. That's really good right now, even with the price going down. $61 for a gram of gold is really good. If you look at, I mean, some of these, I probably wouldn't get anyway. I mean, $6,000 for 100. I mean, that's still pretty good. Like it's $62 per gram, but it's not really appealing to me to have 101 grams of gold unless you're going to be using it for bartering. Then that's pretty good. This right here is a really good deal. I'm gonna take a look at that later. But $210 for 1/10 gold ounce Britannia. It's beautiful. That's a beautiful price right there. We got 1 ounce gold bar, random design for 1900. 5 ounce silver bar, $125. That's really good right there. And then this 10 ounce for 246. So that's almost spot, like spot a few days ago before everything went crazy. That's about spot price, 10 ounces for 246. Of course, if you're only buying one, it's like 250, but still, that's really close to spot price for 10 ounces of silver. That's a really good deal right there. 100 ounce, I don't know if I'd buy 100 ounces of silver. It's a big bar. But you got the 1 ounce, another one, 1900, 50 grams for 3,000. 50 grams for 3,000. That's good. Let me check that out real quick. So you got 3043.28 divided by 50, 60. Yep. $60 per gram, $60.86 per gram. That is really good price for gold. Really good price for gold. If we go down more, we can see we got 100-gram gold bar, 15 kilos silver. Whew. I mean, how would you sell that? Is there someone who would buy that? I don't know. You'd have to probably sell it back to SD Bullion. But yeah, 100 gram. That's another one. $60, $60.80 per gram. 10 gram, you got $62 per gram of gold. You got a 1 ounce gold eagle, $2,200. Those premiums on them gold eagles. Oh, this is a proof gold eagle, and 22. That's actually really good for a proof. Man, if only I had some liquid, I'd definitely buy some of this stuff right now. So you can see there's a lot of really good deals on SD Bullion right now. A 1/10 ounce Libertad for $347. That's really good. Canadian Maple Leaf, $26. Looks like they're out of stock on that. Let's have a look at this Britannia. 1/10 ounce gold, $212 with Bitcoin. So I do have a lot of Bitcoin. I haven't done any crypto or stock videos on this channel, but yeah, I have stocks and crypto. They were getting hammered last year. This month, January, has been good for stocks and cryptos. Almost everything's gone up. So the question is, would I trade some of my Bitcoin for gold? Probably so. Probably so. I know I feel like Bitcoin's going to go back up once we get over all the craziness that's happening right now. However, gold is most likely going to go back up as well. So yeah, I would definitely do that. That is such a good price, $212. Hey, that's a good price. Unfortunately, I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything right now. I gotta save up for paying my taxes so I can be legit. Don't have the IRS knocking down my door, even though I'm not gonna owe that much, just a few hundred total, maybe 1,000. But still, it's good. It's good to do everything the right way. That's how we're supposed to do this. So now is a really good time to be buying gold and silver. It's a really good time. I don't know how much longer the prices are gonna drop. If you get lucky and wait it out a little bit and they do start dropping more, then that's great. But I wouldn't risk it. I would go ahead and jump in right now. If you're on the fence with buying something, go ahead and get it. Any of these 1/10 ounce rounds, and then you got, like, if you're like me and you're not trying to throw thousands of dollars into this just yet, then some of these are really good. Like this 2 gram is definitely a really good price. It's a better price than the 1 gram. Definitely a better price. But if all you can afford is the 1 gram, then definitely go for it. I have seen like some half grams and quarter grams on sale at other sites, but the premiums of those are still really high, so you're better off getting 1 gram if you can afford it. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Now's a good time to go ahead and start buying some stuff. The prices will go back up eventually, of course. Nothing to worry about. I mean, I'm coming into metals from stocks and crypto, so I know how crazy prices can get. So I'm not worried at all. Just gonna wait it out. Keep buying, keep stacking, and keep it going. Keep it moving. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.